Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin and thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and we'll keep bringing the videos. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, look at that. Oh man, look at that. Okay, so today we're gonna make beer can chicken. First thing you gotta do to make beer can chicken is get your beer. So, crack open the beer. So good. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is glove up because we're touching chicken. Next thing I'm gonna do is add a little bit of my rub to some melted butter. Maybe about a tablespoon. Mix it up. Okay, so we got a syringe. We got the rub mixed in the butter. We're just gonna add some of that to the chicken. Just like that. And we're going to use the butter as our binder. It's got the rub right in it. Turn that puppy over, both sides. Put a rub all over it. Alright, we're going to turn that chicken over. Get it all rubbed up. Put a little in there. For this beer can chicken, the key is Coca-Cola. We're going to crack open the Coke. I don't want to take a drink of that. Dump a little bit out. Put it right there and then put your chicken right on top. This is beer can chicken done right. Get his legs just like that. Put a little more rub on him. Make sure he's coated really well. Okay, so we have our pellet smoker at 300 degrees. We can get this bird in there. And that's a 6-pound bird. He's a tall one. That might get a little burnt on the top. All right, we'll let it go for about an hour. Okay, we do want to put a probe in this chicken. We want to get that breast up to about 165, just like that. Okay, we're going to check them. It's been about an hour and 15. Oh yeah, look at that bird. We're going to baste it with some of the butter and keep them nice and juicy. Look at that. Oh man. Okay. 305. We hit the 165. I did turn that bird about 20 minutes ago. Oh man, doesn't that look good? Get my thermal pin in there. Okay, yep, we're looking good. Okay. Beeper's going off. Time to get this out of here. Take out the center of the pan. And look at that. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to take this off of that can. And look at that. Okay, beer can chicken. Beer can chicken, I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or you're doing it wrong, but we use a soda can. The beer can is for drinking. All right, let me just cut a little tiny piece of this off. Just to see. I know it's going to be hot. All right, here we go. Beer can chicken took just under 2 hours at 300 degrees. You can do it at 350 for about an hour and a half, but I like to go a little lower, a little slower. Oh man. That is so good. So juicy. Beer can chicken, done with Coke. Thanks for watching, and thank you, Josh, for filming. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.